I should hold it. Does it work? We'll find out.
I just got off the phone with Cycle Gear, but they don't take the tires off the motorcycle. They just mount and balance the tires on the rim. So I'm going to drive to Cycle Gear, drop the bike in the parking lot, take the tires off it, give it to them, wait for them to give them back to me, and then put the tires back on the motorcycle. This should be fun. Did some Googling, found a forum, and found that a 13/16 spark plug socket has the right size nut on the end of it. And so that, combined with a really long extension, is going to pass through the tire to take this bad boy off. Alright, made it to Cycle Gear. Got the tires off the bike in the parking lot. Not the sketchiest thing I've ever done. Maybe it is. I don't know. So pretty. All done. Look at those beautiful knobby tires.